I wanted to share my honest thoughts about these drawer organizers. We redid every cupboard because there's never enough space in your kitchen and you can never reach for things at the back, and that was the real reason we wanted space and so that we could get to everything. So we did all our cupboards. They pull out very smooth. Can you see that? Very smooth. So now we can reach things at the back, no problem. We've got, these are narrower ones and we've got wider ones in the other cupboards. You can put all your Tupperwares and anything you need. We are obsessed with them. We are so glad we bought them. It has made our lives so much easier. You won't be sorry. You'll wonder what took you so long to install something like this, because how did you manage without it? They're also very easy to install. It just has a few brackets that you screw down onto the wooden surface, and that is it. You do it once and done, and the rest just slides in place. No problem. Smooth, organized, packs away easily, and finally, you can reach everything in your cupboards right at the back. I hope you enjoy them.